Today we have a 2014 Scion TC in the shop for some strange stereo problems, but we're going to show you how to remove this stereo. We're going to start with our finger pressure rather than pry bar and start at the bottom edge of the panel, work our way up the edges, pulling this front panel back. It releases. There are clips here, and these clips release with pry pressure. We have the passenger airbag here, so we're going to hold this panel up out of the way here while we get to 4 mounting screws on this stereo. There are 2 10mm bolts on the right side of the car stereo and 2 on the left side. We have a full library removal guides for speakers, amplifiers, and stereos on our website. See our website for help with stereo removal and speaker installation. The stereo is here in shop because it has a strange whirring sound. It sounds like the fan on the back of the radio may be having a problem with that. And we're going to see if we can take care of that here today in the shop. Now, with all these 4 screws removed, we're going to grasp the face of the radio and pull this stereo from the dash. It'll come forward and give access to several connectors here on the back. And that looks like the defective fan we're having here on this one. Anyways, we have several connectors here on the back. These connectors are all keyed. They all have triggers on them. We're going to squeeze the little trigger down on them. This releases the connector, and you can remove these connectors. They're all keyed, so they go back to one specific spot. This is how you remove the stereo from a Scion TC. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.